Assalamu alaikum students, be ready. Para, my dear sir, comma, I hope you will think it worthwhile to consider, comma, as far as possible, comma, the alteration of the date of the laying of the foundation stone, comma, and I am sure a little consideration will lead you to a decision that will materially enhance the chances of a successful gathering. Full stop. Is it worthwhile ignoring the wishes of a small but influential section of your supporters in this manner when a slight alteration would be of advantage? Question mark. In other respects, I think no fault can be found with the arrangements. Full stop. Very sincerely yours, comma, para. Dear sirs, comma, we have received your letter of the 9th inst, comma, respecting consignments, comma, and your requests shall be considered in the same manner as your previous communications on such matters. Full stop. Our Mr. Burton is away at present in the north of Scotland. Full stop. We expect him back tomorrow, comma, however, comma, when the whole question shall be taken into consideration, comma, and an early reply forwarded to you. Full stop. Doubtless a satisfactory conclusion can be arrived at which will be considered agreeable to all concerned. Full stop. Yours truly, comma, para. In concluding my report, comma, I would point out that there are many circumstances which will be taken into consideration on a future occasion, comma, but of which it is considered unwise to speak now. Full stop. One necessary conclusion, comma, however, comma, is that only in the manner I have indicated is it possible to arrive at anything like a true estimate of the motives of these men towards one another, comma, and to judge impartially of the letters which passed between them. Full stop. The incident at the telegraph office is the most important. Full stop.